Changing your phone number on Trip.com is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section or under My Account. Step 3. Find contact information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on it to view your current phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Select the option to edit your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new phone number is saved in your account. After completing these steps, your phone number on Trip.com will be updated. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure the change was successful.